Welcome to today's drive. In this video, we'll be exploring Loogootee, Indiana, a small but historic community in Martin County. Our journey begins just west of town in Daviess County. We'll cross the county line into Martin County, Perry Township, and the city of Loogootee along Broadway Street, and make our way through the heart of downtown. From there, we'll tour John F. Kennedy Avenue and Main Street, passing local businesses and landmarks that showcase the charm of this small-town America destination. Finally, we'll continue eastward on U.S. highways 50 and 150 towards Shoals. U.S. routes 50 and 150 follow Indiana's historic pathways, recognized as one of 184 American byways. This particular byway is one of Indiana's oldest and most storied transportation routes. Loogootee itself has a fascinating story. Founded in the mid-19th century, the town developed as a railroad community and became a hub for surrounding farms and small industries. But perhaps the most interesting part is its unusual name. Loogootee is said to have come from a blend of two influential railroad officials' names, Lowe and Guthrie, though some locals believe it may also have roots in Native American language. Either way, it's a name that stands out just as much as the town's welcoming character. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this scenic drive through Loogootee, Indiana on Dashcam Travels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to help the channel out, please consider subscribing, liking, or sharing the video, or leave a comment. But most importantly, enjoy the ride. Want to check out a drive through neighboring Jasper, Indiana? Well, you're in luck. Just click the card in the top right corner for a tour. US 50 and 150 continue east. Click on the card in the right-hand corner to tour French Lick and West Baden Springs.